Are you someone who is struggling to find an in-demand freelance writing niche which pays well and gives you more job opportunities? Or are you someone who is skeptical on which freelance writing niche to choose? If your answer is yes, you definitely landed on the right video. In this video, I would be telling you all about freelance writing niche, which freelance content writing niche would suit you the best, how you should choose the niche, and what are the highest paying profitable freelance writing niche in the market. Moreover, if you want me to help or suggest you something regarding freelance writing niche, let me know in the comment section. I would definitely love to help you. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you want more amazing content like this. Now let's start with the video. What is the very first thing that I want to tell you is what a freelance writing niche actually is. A freelance writing niche is the area of expertise, or it is something that you write about. It has major two components. The first component is the topic or the industry in which you will write, like that whether you will go for academic writing, technical writing, ghost writing, copywriting, book writing, or medical writing. Second component is the type of content you will write, whether you'll write blog posts, research articles, or informational articles, or whether you'll write product reviews, or some lesson plans, or any other academic material preparation. I would personally recommend you to choose a combination of type of content and the market, as it would give you multiple freelance content writing opportunities. I personally took months and months to find my area of expertise. I applied various permutation and combination. I did a lot of writing in different fields and different type of contents before coming to a conclusion and finding out my expertise. It's completely fine. Take your time before choosing any one expertise. Choosing a niche, you should ask yourself four questions. First question is, which is the niche in which I have the most knowledge? Is this niche in demand? Who would be my target audience? Will this niche is something that would drive my interest or my passion? Basically, in short, you need to find a niche in which you have the most knowledge, that drives your interest, and it is something that has a good target client. Now next comes the bonus tip. I would like to suggest you choosing a niche that is closely related to your qualification would be the best. Like suppose if you are someone who has taken biology in high school or in graduation programs, then health writing would suit you. Or if you are someone who has abundant of knowledge in technology field, then technical writing would suit you. Or if you are someone who has a creative and imaginative mind, then book writing would suit you. Make sure you always target the client that value your content and have a budget to pay you. If you don't know what are the popular freelance writing niche in the market, then you might go against the requirements, and that is why I am going to reveal here the 7 most highly profitable freelance content writing niche that are going on in the market, and they would be always there. The first is finance. Are you someone who holds a graduate degree in commerce, or who undertook commerce in high school? Or are you someone who has a sound knowledge of bank and bond products? If yes, then finance could be your niche. We spend millions using our credit cards, debit cards, doing brand transaction and using other bank services. And that is why bank has a lot of funds to put into content creation. The banks and various finance marketing companies always look for engaging stories or content to drive more customers to it. What you have to write in finance marketing might include personal stock exchange, personal accounting, finance accounting, investment policies, bank exchange, or something about stocks. The finance niche has a variety of job opportunities and would always be in demand, as we would always be using bank services. You can choose this, but be careful you target the right client. Now let me show you how popular this niche is and what are the different
type of job opportunities that you will get in this niche. Write freelance finance writing job and prefer going to the first 3 or 4 websites like Indeed, LinkedIn, Upwork, etc. Let's check on Upwork. On Upwork, there are a variety of job opportunities. The first one is about stock market. It is basically a long-term job. The second one is about a course. For this, you might need a experience, but they're paying so well. The third one is about forex. Let me go on the third one. The third one is about forex. This must be a good option for beginners. Fourth is again a course writing. Fifth is the international trade or finance. This would be good for beginners. Now let's see on Indeed. On Indeed also there are quite a few job opportunities. They are remote or work from home jobs. Here also there are a variety of topics. You can choose any one that you feel you can do. On LinkedIn, basically you will find full-time jobs. If you have 1 or more year experience, you can apply on LinkedIn. Now let's move on to the second niche.
The second niche is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency niche is hot as pancakes and would be in demand for a very long time. Various topics in cryptocurrency niche includes crypto credits, cryptopreneurs, writing about various bitcoins, Libra, Ripple, or any other cryptocurrencies, telling the audience how to use cryptocurrencies wisely. The best thing about this niche is that you don't have to learn a lot, as there are around 1600 cryptocurrencies, and if you spend a month you would definitely have an in-depth knowledge about this niche. So if you feel you can do it, go for it.
Now let me show you the job opportunities in cryptocurrency freelance marketing. Type on Google freelance writing jobs for cryptocurrency. Okay, I prefer going to the first 3-4 websites. Let me open People Per Hour, Upwork, freelance and cryptocurrency jobs in a new tab. First let's go to the People Per Hour. In People Per Hour there are so many jobs. First is about trading, second is about writing web content for a cryptocurrency website, third is same, fourth is about bitcoins, then fifth is about again link chains. Now let's check on Upwork again Australia crypto tax, then preparing a spreadsheet, then it is generating a pre-sale campaign. Same way, if you open you will get a variety of jobs. Now let's move on to the third niche, that is digital marketing.
The fourth niche is digital marketing. Digital marketing niche is growing exorbitantly and you must be completely aware about it. Most of the digital marketers rely on web content, videos, newsletters, and emails to boost up their sales. The various digital marketing topics that you need to write about in this niche includes SEO, video promotion, social media promotion, content marketing, or content for videos, Instagram, or other social media handles. Data suggests this niche would grow to 1000% in future. If you are someone who is ready to learn, then I would definitely suggest you to go with this niche, as it would get you billions of money in future.
Same way, let me show you the job opportunities in digital marketing. Type freelance digital writing jobs. Let's go to the first few one. Let's go on Indeed. Indeed and other websites. On Indeed, if you see, there are first job is about SEO writing, second job is about editing the content, third one is about conducting keyword research, that is a part of SEO. Same way, you can find more and more jobs and choose the one that fits your requirement or the one that you have information. Now let's move on to the fourth topic.
The That is quite natural. We all do it. And sometimes we often get good results. And alternative health is all about this. In alternative health, you have to write on topics regarding home remedies, Ayurveda, yoga, exercises that can be done at home, or it can be explaining a health condition, disease, or a disorder. For the same, you have to apply on various health websites, or you can even look for opportunities given on various job portals. Let me tell you, few big digital health media houses are MapCure, Healthline, WebMed, Ayurveda, Botanicals, etc.
Let me show you the job opportunities in freelance health writing. Type freelance health writing jobs and go through the first few ones. Like if you go on Indeed, we say the second job is about writing about healthcare expenses. Care expenses. On Simply Hire, there are again few health writing jobs from Evoke Health, WebEx, where you have to write about various health topics. See, there are so many. If you go on Freelancer, again there are jobs, a lot of jobs. This is about research, medical research. This one is again a medical writing jobs. Read the descriptions and choose the one that you have the most knowledge about. See, there are so many. Now let's move on to the next niche.
Fifth is the travel niche. Most of the travel marketers want you to explore the world and review it. They want you to tell the audience how is a tourist place. Various travel topics might include travel guides, travel deals, writing about the tourist places, and reviewing a restaurant. Few popular travel websites include Lonely Planet, Yatra.com, Make My Trip, Triophilia, then Travel Triangle, Holidayfy, Tell Travel Guru, etc. If you are a travel enthusiast, you can definitely go forward and choose this niche.
Likewise, I would take you to freelance travel niche writing jobs. Write freelance travel niche writing jobs. Prefer opening the first few websites again. Open Upwork, Freelancer, and Naukri.com. On Upwork, if you see, there are so many. The first is about travel content writing. They need a website developer as well as a content writer who can write travel blogs. Not this one. This one is not about travel. Let's move on and see. This one is again not on travel. Yeah, the fourth one. See, they require a travel magazine writer, somebody who can write blogs for their travel magazine. This is a good one. Now let's see on Freelancer. On Freelancer, this is not in English. Let's see. They require somebody who can write travel guidebooks. Now the third one, they require somebody who can write about Greece tourism. Then again, fourth is about tourism. Fifth is again about travel writing. On Naukri.com, you will find freelance writing as well as full-time jobs. Now again, I would say choose the one that fits you the best. Now let's move on to the next niche.
Now comes the last niche, that is book writing. Many business people, coaches, or entrepreneurs want people to write about their lives or industry. Most of them are not writers, and that is why they hire content writers to write a book about their lives or industry. Book writing is also called ghost writing. Various topics in this field might include newsletters, emails, social media blog posts, editing, ebook, or proofreading. If you are someone with a creative mind, you can definitely go for it. So that was all about various freelance content writing niche. Do let me know which is your favorite niche and why, and how I helped you to choose your niche. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to know more about content writing. Till then, happy writing, stay connected, bye.